wanted to say to all the mothers out there, thank you. We love you. Thank you for your selfless love. Thank you for being there with us, supporting us, helping us with homework, projects, everything. And one more thing. Thank you for tolerating us this whole quarantine. I know it must have been a huge ride trying to take care of us during quarantine. So thank you very much, all the mothers. And today, for my mom, I'm making something special. Usually, she's the one cooking yummy treats for me. But today, I'm going to cook something yummy for her. Let's make her favorite, peanut butter banana muffins. I too loved her a lot. So let's begin. You could say this recipe is super healthy as I'm not adding flour and I'm not adding sugar. Instead, I'm using honey. One more thing. This is a super easy recipe. All the ingredients are available easily during this quarantine. And we're making it with this thing, the blender. I preheated the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Well, let's open this jar. So let's add, yes, the banana. I'm using Robusta. You can use whatever you want. One whole banana. Some of our sweetener. Honey. Honey is the best sweetener. Peanut butter. Use the creamy version, not the crunchy. The next ingredient, 1 egg. Baking soda. Vanilla essence smells really good. Vanilla essence. And the final ingredient we're adding to the blender, salt. Basic old salt. We're going to blend it until it's very nice and smooth. Now let's transfer the batter, which is nice and creamy, into the bowl. I'm going on a small cheat here. You know our mothers are really sweet. So I'm going to make my batter a little bit more sweeter, right? I'm going to add a little bit of chocolate chips. This is completely optional. But I'm doing it because my mom is too sweet. Oh. Now I'm going to transfer it into a greased muffin dish. And it's done. Now let's bake it for around 12 to 15 minutes, which may vary depending on the size of your muffins. If it's mini muffins, it might take 8 to 9 minutes. I baked the muffins for 15 minutes. Now let's let it cool for 10 minutes. Then we can take it out and serve. Until it has cooled down, I'm going to invite a special person to stand with me right here. The cameraman. Hello.
Hello.
There's a small surprise. My cameraman, Papa.
Hey, teacher.
So, Papa, Mother's Day, how did you celebrate it when you were a kid?
See, teacher, I have not celebrated Mother's Day at all. You know why? Because when I was young, my mom, with a joint family, and there were around 12 to 13 people over there, from grandfather, grandmother, everyone. And my mom, that is your grandmother, was always inside the kitchen. I've never seen her going for a movie. I've never seen her going for a trade fair or anything.
So you didn't have
And
any
you know
time?
something, the best part? To my knowledge, she had visited my school maybe once or twice. So, we have not celebrated Mother's Day at all. I think like I'm joining with you to celebrate Mother's Day for my mom too. Is that good?
Nice.
Hey.
So now we just have to wait for this to cool down.
This has come out really good. And one thing I want to tell you, Kisha.
Yeah.
This is a request as well as a complaint.
What?
Every time when you make some dish and I stand behind the camera and you make me take the entire taste time until you finish the entire thing what you make. So
I know the complaint.
Hereafter,
I've
I
been
will
on-
take only half of what you are eating. I mean, the taste time. Rest I will be coming and eating. Okay? Is that good? Anyway, so we will wish my mom as well as your mom happy.
Happy Mother's Day! Bye guys!
Not bye guys. We need to have the taste time. I need to have the taste time.
Ready? Ready, set, 3, 2, 1, stop. This is soft, sweet, chocolatey, and most of all, melt in the mouth.